Come wander with me as I make some wildcrafted incense. This is one of my favorite ways to bring nature into my home. You'll only need 3 parts to make these incense. First is an aromatic. Aromatics carry the smell and the medicine. Feel free to use any wild or homegrown plants that you have around you. That's the magic of this recipe. Here are some of the herbs I'm using today. These are herbs I have wildcrafted throughout my travels.
We've got marigolds from Prince Edward Island, mullein leaves. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful they are. I've never used mullein in an incense before, but I don't see why not. Okay, we've come across these little sage leaves I collected at a city stand that grew herbs. They had also lavender, so I definitely, look how beautiful. Took some of this.
Use a mortar and pestle to grind everything into a powder. Take your time here. A blender works great too. Next, we will need an igniter, something to help it burn slowly and evenly. Some examples of this include chaga, sandalwood, or even spruce pitch. You'll need something to hold it all together. Binders are usually made up of herbs that contain a mucilagenic property, such as slippery elm, marshmallow root, or traditionally used maca powder. Once we have all of our ingredients together, we're going to add some water or floral water slowly until the mixture becomes tacky. We want it to hold shape without being wet or sticky. Slow and steady is the key here. We will then roll our cones with our fingers. To do this, pinch off a small piece and roll them into cones. Press gently so they hold together, but make sure not to push them too tightly. Leaving a bit of air inside helps them burn all the way through. With a simple ratio, with 2 parts aromatic, 1 part binder, and 1 part igniter. Be sure to follow your own intuition. That's the magic of this recipe. Once they're dry, they are ready to burn. Let them cure for 3 to 5 days or until they're firm. And this is the step you've been finally waiting for. Set an intention or simply enjoy the scent of the wild, finding its way through your space. Let the smoke wander. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wild crafting tutorials. Follow along for the next journey.